Right guys, welcome back. To those of you who are new here, let's get you caught up. This is my 1972 MGB GT and it's got quite an interesting story. I'd saved this car once from the back of a garage. It was a barn find, off the road, 20 years. Got it up and running, it was driving, life was great, everything was hunky-dory. And then January 1st of 2025, the car was completely underwater, like this. I've spent 6 months getting the car back on the road. We welded in new floor pans, full new wiring loom, brand new custom interior, and we've got everything driving. We've put one temporary engine in, shout out HJR Garage. We've then put a second engine in, which has been sweet as a nut really. We've had no issues with it. But on my return, I will be building a third engine, which is the original flooded engine. But anyway, so in today's episode, we're sort of celebrating how far we've got with the car. We're going to be driving it from London all the way to Barcelona. We'll be going from London to Kent, Kent to Calais, Calais to Rouen, Rouen to Le Mans, Le Mans to Amboise, Amboise to Bordeaux, Bordeaux to San Sebastian, San Sebastian to Barcelona. So let's get to it. So our journey begins in Kent and we are struggling at the first hurdle. The car has way too much filler to be able to stick on the magnetic UK plate. So first stop, we are making it over to Le Château and getting on the train over to Calais. Right guys, first leg of the trip done. We have gone from Calais, we are now in Rouen, probably butchering that pronunciation, but we're about to go and do a bit of sightseeing and get some food because we are starving. So let's get to it. We are now sufficiently fed. Next stop, Le Mans. So 2-hour drive, quick fuel stop. Let's get to it, see what happens. Right guys, so we're on the way to Le Mans at the moment, and as you can see around us, everything is pretty flat. Doing 110 kilometers at the minute, but having to concentrate so much because the wind is just blowing me everywhere. I'm also getting blinded. which is not fun, but we're en route. It's all part of the fun, and we are officially an hour and a half away. So I'm excited to sit down and have a cafecito. Day 2, we have woken up in Le Mans. I was so tired yesterday. I just parked in the first car park that we found near to our accommodation. Didn't check park or anything. I just wanted to get out of the car. Let's make sure we've not been clamped. Looking hopeful so far. Right, we've not been clamped, but have we got a ticket? No ticket, success. So the question is, do we now risk it, stay parked here for another hour while we get breakfast and find somewhere to clean the car, or do we move it? I'm gonna risk it. I think one risk paid off. What's 2? So, plan for today. Obviously, we're in Le Mans. We're gonna get some food. Want to try and detail the car because we've been driving in the rain for 2 days. It looks awful. So I want to clean it and then go to Le Mans Museum. Also, you'll have to excuse my speech because I have got my retainer in. Apologies. So yeah, we're gonna risk it, go get some breakfast and see if we can find somewhere to clean this scruffy looking car. Le Mans is carnage. You guys will never guess where we are. Oh wait, no, you might. We're at Le Mans. We're at the museum. We're gonna go look at some cars. Maybe they'll know that I'm famous and they'll let me just go on the track for free and do a load of laps. But we'll see. Sunbeam. As you can see, there's some dark clouds up ahead, but the weather currently was really nice. We didn't expect how bad the weather was going to get. So in a minute you'll see a clip. It looks okay, but we stopped filming once it got way worse because the visibility was, honestly, could not see the lines on the road. So yeah, here we go. That was absolutely terrifying. But we made it. We're alive. As you may be able to tell, it is now a new day. We cut our trip short, we didn't go to Amboise. Yesterday we had a minor breakdown. The springs on the throttle return stretched. So you had to relocate where the spring's attached to give it a bit more leverage. That sorted, we then got onto the road, but it was a bit late. So we said, we'll go straight through Bordeaux, avoid Amboise. And when I tell you, the motorway was terrifying. Honestly, you could not see more than 5 feet ahead of you. The rain was insane, the fog was insane, and these lights are 50 years old. But as you can tell, we made it. Stayed at a very nice hotel. The car, absolute dream, looks good outside this posh hotel. We are now going to drive to San Sebastian where the weather is held out. So let's get on the road.
It's literally vibing.
Right, so we have now arrived in San Sebastian, and apparently the weather's decided to switch up on us massively. It was sunny before, it is now chucking it down. So, I'm not the biggest fan of city driving, especially when I'm on the opposite side of the road. Getting in lane when you're on the opposite side of the road, people in France and Spain just don't seem to let you go. So these cars don't come with a wing mirror on that side, so I can't see. So I have to get my passenger princess to check for me when I can go, because we've got a boot full of bags. So yeah, interesting, stress over. I think now we're gonna get some food. And obviously San Sebastian is famous for food, pinchos. Yeah, we're gonna go and search for some food and stuff our faces. Right guys, I'm interrupting just to ask, if you're not already, make sure you hit that subscribe button, because we are so close to being able to monetize, and I have so many big plans in the works. There's open discussions on the next project happening on my Instagram right now, so I'll throw a link to that in the description. So yeah, drop me a like, drop me a subscribe, massively appreciate it. So now, back to the video. Right guys, we've just checked out of the hotel in San Sebastian. This is the longest leg of the drive now. 6.5 hours to get to Barcelona. Going through some pretty mountainous regions, so we might even see snow. Fingers crossed we don't. But next stop, Barcelona. Okay guys, so we've made it to Barcelona, and as you can see, this is a slightly concerning sight. Thankfully, this is the last leg of our trip, but it doesn't look good. So, what happened was we were stuck in standstill traffic, and if you have an MG, you know, these cars hate standstill traffic. So my thermostat that wasn't working before came alive to tell me that it was off the scale for heat. So that was a slight anxiety-inducing moment. So we pulled off, we're gonna let it cool down, and we're gonna see how we get on. We're now in the future. To get you caught up a little bit on what I've done to fix the very hot overheating car, let's go look in the engine bay. Now, it may be painfully obvious what has changed in this engine bay. I'll give you a clue. It's very shiny and slightly obnoxious looking. We've fitted a bigger rad. I have also fitted a smaller fan so that it sits more flush. I've then flushed the heating system multiple times. Someone advised to me, use water wetter. I've used water wetter and it is loads better. So yeah, it's now not overheating. I'm actually out of breath from pulling the car backwards, which is quite embarrassing. It's now running so well that we are going to take it to the Esprit de Montjuic tomorrow. Guys, and that is a wrap on the road trip. Now I have to say a massive thank you to every single one of you guys, because without you guys, this would not have been possible. From the Top Gear feature, Classic Car Weekly feature, meeting you guys at the NEC, it's been insane. So massive thank you on that.